This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone. I'm going to show you today how to create a cloud infrastructure Amazon Web Services today, where I'm going to create a virtual private cloud. Then I'm going to create an internet gateway. Then I'm going to attach this internet gateway to the VPC. After that, I'm going to create two subnets. One is public subnet, other one is private subnet. Then I will create two route tables as well. One is private route table and public route table. Other one is public route table. Then I will create security group and netlist to secure our instance from the external network. Let me show you now this in the real scenario on the Amazon Web Services. Right here, I'm already logged in to the my AWS. You can go to the services, click on VPC. You can see here no virtual private cloud is created as yet. No subnets, route tables, or network access control list or security group. So we will all create this now. So click on VPC first, click create, give it a name, my VPC. Give it a CIDR block, which can be 10.0.0.0/16. The rest you can leave as it is. Click create. Well done. Now you can create an internet gateway from here. Click create internet gateway. Give it a name, my internet gateway. Again, click create. You can see this is in a detached position now. So click create on it again. You can see this is still in detached position. So you click on actions and attach it to your VPC. Choose your VPC here, which you just created, and attach it to your internet gateway. Now come to the subnets. Create a subnet. You can give this a name like public subnet. Again, attach your VPC to it. Choose your availability zone. You have various options for that. So let's choose in this case EU WIS 2A. Give it a CIDR block name, which can be 10.0.1.0/24 and click create. Close it. Now create another one here. Give it a name, private subnet. Again, attach your VPC to it. Choose a different availability zone and give it a CIDR block name, span.0.2.0/24. Click create. Once you have done that, close it. Now you can create the route tables for it. One route table has been already automatically created with your VPC, but you can ignore that and create your own. Give it a name, public route table. Attach it to your VPC and create. Again, do the and create another route table for your private subnet. Private route table. Attach it to your VPC and click create. Now click on private route table. Click on routes. Edit your routes here. Add route. Give it an open network, which is 0.0. You can already see it here appearing. Attach your internet gateway to it, which you have just created, and save rules. Close it. Now click on Subnet Association. Click on Edit Subnet Association and choose your public subnet here. So this will appear here and click Save. Right. The same you are doing for your private route table, but you are not attaching any gateway to it. Okay. So click on routes. You can see your IP address is here, but you are not adding your routes here because this is your private subnet. Now click on Subnet Association, edit Subnet Association. Again, select the private one here. It's appearing here again and click Save. Good. So we have done so far our VPC, internet gateway, public subnet, private subnet, and routers. Right, let's go back to the our lab. Now what we need to do is create our security group and Nacls to control our external network. Click on security group. One group is already created here, so we can just give it a name. We can use the same group, my security group, and save it. Now you can go to inbound, click on security groups, go to the inbound rules, edit your inbound rules. Sorry, I don't know what, I think it was some fluctuation here. Then click add rules. Here you can see on the top, it is allowing from whole network, all traffic. But now here you can choose all traffic and choose here my IP. Copy this IP so you can use the same IP for your Nacls and save these rules. Now click on network Acls. You can see here network access control list is already created. If you want, you can create one your own, but in this case we can use which is automatically created via our VPC. So my next list. Now you can see this is allowing the traffic from anywhere. You need to edit these inbound rules, and instead of source from whole world, you just paste your own IP and leave it allow and save it. So our security group with inbound rules and outbound rules all is ready. Our netlist is ready as well. Now what we need to do, we need to create two EC2 instances. Okay, click on EC2. Right. These are my previous ones which are terminated but still there. So we can now create new ones. Select, always select the free tier one. Click next. So here is already my VPC. You can choose your public subnet first. Auto assign IP should be enabled and click next. At the moment, 8 GB is fine for me. So next. Now, security group again here. Select the existing one. We already arranged it here, our port numbers, and review and launch. You can always create a new key pair, or you can choose your existing one. Even for practical purpose only, you can create an EC2 instance without a key pair. So let's create a new key pair here. Give it a name, private, public EC2. And download this key pair. Always keep save this key because you cannot recover it again. You can create another key, but you cannot have the same key again. So launch an instance, view the instance. It's still pending, so I'm giving it a name, public EC2 instance. Right, let's create one more instance. Same again, choose the free tier one. My VPC, automatically it chooses private subnet. Auto assign public IP enable. Storage as it is. Now select the existing group. Here you can notice the security group. If the security group is same for both instances, why we cannot ping it? Because the security is allowing it. The reason behind it, because we had not attached the internet gateway to our private instance, private subnet, sorry. Let me go ahead and I will show you at the end, review and launch. Again, you can use the same key which you created, choose an existing key, or you can create a new key for this. So entirely your choice. So launch and instance, view an instance. So still this is pending. Let's wait a few seconds so it will be in a running state now. All right, let's give it a name, private EC2. Now click on public EC2 and copy this public IP address and try to ping it. CMD. Bring it here. So ping perfect. So our public subnet is reachable from the external world. Now let's copy the public IP address of your private instance and try to reach it. Ping. Now you can see we are unable to reach this private subnet. Even having the same security group, because we have not attached it to the internet gateway, we cannot reach to it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment box. I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much.